The John M. Long School of Music hosted its opera workshop Tuesday night featuring Gilbert and Sullivan's Pirates of Penzance.
This particular opera about a band of pirates was filled with lots of humor and fun, which is not something you often associate with the art form. The director, Dr. Sarah, we set an expectation going into the workshop to change the perception of what opera is.
I think one of the things that Opera Workshop strives to do is show that opera isn't boring. When people think about opera, they think long, foreign language, it's going to be boring, ladies singing high notes while they're dying. This is the idea of opera. So I think showing them that opera can be funny, it can be lively. In many ways, this is kind of a precursor to the Jack Sparrow kind of character, a bumbling pirate. So I think it's going to be more audience friendly and let them see that opera is not always stuffy. It can be, but it's not always stuffy.
The cast featured a mixture of students, both music and non-music majors, playing roles such as the Pirate King, Frederick, and Major General, to name a few. Much like the show business, things happen causing others to step up. In particular, sickness struck the cast, but in stepped Victoria Tidwell to fulfill the role of Edith, one of the Pirate King's daughters.
Edith was originally supposed to be played by Madeline Houston, she's amazing and has a great voice. And then a few days ago, Dr. Weed told me that she was sick and that I might have to fill in. And I was not previously an understudy for this role, so that was a little intimidating. I had 2 days to learn the role and everything, and then got confirmation later that she was sick and would not be able to make it, which is unfortunate. She would have done a great job. So yeah, it was an experience for sure.
Opera Workshop is an actual class offered by the School of Music, and students, whether they be freshmen, grad students, music and non-music majors, are welcomed and encouraged to take the course to gain insight on just how complex opera can be. Jacklynn Lambert, Troy, TrojanVision News.